Hi, I'm Dan Funk. I'm here today with the honor of getting to introduce you to Spiff Demo, our new website that you can check out and actually experience SpiffWorkflow and see how it works. Click around, build diagrams, view diagrams, execute them, and see what is possible. So it's a super great moment. Thank you for being here and being a part of it. I really am excited to get any feedback that you might have on the application and what it does, what you wish it would do, or if you're excited about it at all. Would mean a great deal to all of us. So let's go check it out. To get started, you just need to go to spiffdemo.org. When you get there, you get a login screen. There is a single sign-on button down at the bottom, and I would encourage you to use this. If you can't log in with Google, you don't have a Google account, please let me know, and let me know what single sign-on option you wish was here. So if it's like LinkedIn or GitHub or any of those other sites, just let us know. We'll add them. If that's not possible, I can also set you up with your own username and password. But let's just go ahead and log in with Google, which I've done before. And that will take you to a screen that'll probably be blank for you because you haven't started anything and there's nothing that's waiting on you right now. From here, what I'd like you to do is go to Processes, and there's Examples and Playground. We'll talk about Playground here in a second. But I'll go into Examples, and then there are three kind of top-level process models that you can actually click Start and go right into. And then there's groups with even more process models down inside of them that are organized down here. Here's what I would like you to do to get the most out of this Spiff demo process is go in and check out the minimal example and the essential example and do it like this. Don't click the start. Click up here on the title. And that will take you in and show you the process model and the description, but it will also give you access to the diagram. In SpiffWorkflow, everything is controlled by these diagrams. They do all the work, define everything that's going to happen. This minimal example is designed to be just that. So it's just got a start and an end and one manual task in the middle. And this site is designed to explain what all of these different things are. So as you go through and open the diagrams and look at them, you can start to get an understanding of how all the pieces fit together. It's also important to know when you click on an element and it highlights with that blue line around it, you'll get information about it over here in this panel. In this case, in a manual task, it's just going to display instructions. That's all manual tasks do. So I can launch the editor, and you can see how the information is kind of written over here and how it'll be displayed to that person that's actually using your process later on. So look at the examples, get a sense for what these diagrams do, and then go start one. And you'll see that this is what it looks like. So you've controlled that experience. You created that manual task. They can click continue and get presented with this final screen that shows you'll see that all these things are gray. That means that all these steps have been completed. And then you'll see there's a show less, show more button here. So click on that show more so you can see the whole thing. But that'll tell you what the next steps are, what the next thing you might look at is. Here this is suggesting you go check out the essential examples, but you can also go into the basics and check out those things as well. And there's links to more of our documentation online to get even more help. So yeah, that's it. I don't want to spoil the surprises. There's a lot of really fun diagrams under examples, so please check out minimal example and essential example, and then dig down into the basics in that directory and all these cool things. And check back often, because we're just beginning to scratch the surface of what you can do with this software. The real stuff is coming in 2 and 3 and 4 in-depth topics, and we're hoping to have a case study section as well. And in all of these examples, while you can go in to minimal example and open the file up, you'll notice there's no save here. So you can go in and you can move stuff and you could play around and think and imagine what it might do, but you can't actually save it and run it. Just because we want to keep these examples stable for everybody. However, you can request your own playground. And to do so, you just go and complete that process. And I can show you here, that is just controlled by yet another BPMN diagram that gives you a form to submit that stuff. It sends us a quick Slack message, and then it waits for us to go in and make the modifications to get you set up. So yeah, once you feel like you're ready, make a request. We'll give you a playground. When you have that, you can go back up into the playground, and you'll have your own personal area. And from there, you can build your own diagrams, and you can save them and run them, and make mistakes and learn something new, and build something extraordinary. And yeah, thanks so much for your time. I really look forward to some feedback. Thanks.